Hi everyone, welcome back. It's the 3rd of February 2020. Sat down to trade the London session today knowing that I was limited for time. When I'm in that situation, I usually set myself an hour's challenge. So give myself an hour trading from the moment I take my first trade to when I'm out and flatten the market. So you'll see how I did today. It was a very fast session and a very short video this will be. So let's get straight over to the charts and I'll show you exactly how I did it. Hi again and welcome back. It's the 3rd of October. I'm jumping ahead of myself there. It's the 3rd of February 2020. And just opened up the charts a little while ago, trading the London session. I'm going for one of these 1 hour challenges that I do occasionally because I'm limited for time today. And so just flicking through these charts, I'll show you where I am at the moment. Nothing on the Euro US dollar. I missed an entry point on that. Nothing going on here. I've got no pound pairs. Australian dollar US dollar. Took this long as it came through an entry point just a little while ago at 0.5 on the last candle. Australian dollar Japanese yen. Got in this at 80. Again, as price came through one of our entry points. Looking for it to push out of this area now and up towards that 0.0. Because I'm restricted for time, what I'm going to do is I'm either taking either next levels or 2-to-1 risk to reward I'll be working with if the next level's too far away. So you'll see a picture building up as I run through these pairs anyway. So US dollar Japanese yen, in this one a little while ago, 58 I got in this, looking for price to push up to that 80 where my take profit is. US dollar Canadian dollar, starting to break out of that overnight area but looking for it to push down now towards that 20. Canadian dollar Japanese yen, seeing some weakness across the board on the Japanese yen it looks like. So got in this one at 0.1, another entry point, and take profit is up there at 20. New Zealand dollar US dollar, the first trade that I took as it came through an entry point, that was 1, 2, 3 candles back I took this one. And looking for it to push up through that 80 level and up towards this area where I've got my take profit. So that's where I am at the moment. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades I'm in, fully loaded, and I've just taken off a couple of pending orders that I had. 6 trades is really the max I like to manage at any one time. So we'll see how these play out. If this New Zealand dollar US dollar continues this sideways price action, I might be tempted to punch out of this to get in on something a bit more exciting at the moment, maybe another Japanese yen pair. So okay, 6 trades being held, and I'll pause the video for now and I'll be back with you in a little while. Okay, back with you. Because I'm on the 1 hour challenge today, I'm deciding to take these profits. That's why I thought I'd open this up and show you. 10 pips there, 10 pips on the Canadian dollar Japanese yen. 8, 2, and 2. So as I said at the beginning of the video, limited for time today, decided on a 1 hour challenge. And so that's why I punched out of those trades, seeing good profit very fast. And what I'll do now, I'll flick over to the summary sheet and show you exactly what I came out of that with in well under an hour. I'll work out how long I was trading for and I'll give you the exact figures that I came away with. Okay, I'll be back with you in a little while. So here we go with the recap. I took my first trade about 7 AM, so it was an hour before the London Open, and managed to get in on the first trade, and I was out and flat at 7:30, so 30 minutes trading. You can see the winning trades here. All reasonable trades, and knowing that I was limited for time, seeing that, I thought I wasn't going to sit through a pullback and maybe come out with less. So that's what made me decide to get out when I did. There was one break-even trade that I took, the Australian dollar US dollar. Didn't get out of an area that I needed it to, so I punched out of that for break-even. So I ended up with plus 32 pips. That gives me 1.33% profit on my capital. So fantastic session, really fast, reasonable profit, and out and flat. If you'd like to find out more about the way that we trade at the Price Action Traders Institute, I'll put some links in the description box just below this video. You can click on those and find out more about what we're doing. I'll close this down now. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.